Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I am in Tuscaloosa, Alabama again. Just doing a short video. I wanted to show off this. I know it's kind of hard to see with the tree in the way, but this is actually a Kirkbride Asylum. So I always thought that OU was the only school to own a Kirkbride Asylum, but actually the University of Alabama owns one. It used to be called Bryce Hospital, I believe. And one of my friends who goes here actually told me about this place. So it is currently under construction right now. They're turning it into a school building. So I can't really get near it, which kind of sucks. But I'm actually going to come back here definitely when it's finished, so I can come and look at it because it's a Kirkbride. But yeah, I don't know how many details you guys can see compared to me. But you can tell the main historical side looks pretty much the same, but the wings have had major work done to them. There's still some broken parts on the top, but the historic main building looks amazing. Now, something I didn't notice until I walked around here, they have these gates here, which I imagine they'll put actual gates here, but they're just wood right now. But yeah, so you can see the whole left wing has scaffolding on it still. You can hear power tools. And also, unlike the ridges where everything is just connected completely, it looks like there's only one hallway that's completely connected on each side. So honestly, it's really cool. This is the 4th Kirkbride I've visited so far. I can't wait to come back when it's finished. But I figured I'd just come here, stop here, show this off real quick because I wanted to see it anyway. And see if we can get the giant dome on the top in the video real quick. So, if the camera's not blending it into the sky, you should be able to see there's a giant dome on the top. Just a beautiful building. I mean, all Kirkbride buildings are. But it's cool to know that another school also has a Kirkbride and is going to reuse it. But also it kind of makes me a little bit sad that Athens isn't the only one. So anyway, yeah. I just want to show that off real quick. Very cool little building. I can't wait to come here when it's finished. So anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And thank you for watching.